In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert an Excel sheet in Microsoft Word. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. For method number 1, I'm going to copy the table from my Excel sheet into my Word document. Select your table, press Ctrl+C, select inside of your Word document and press Ctrl+V. This is the simplest option. The data is now part of your Word document, but there's no connection between this and the original Excel file. However, the methods I'm going to teach you next will create that link. For method number 2, we're going to create a live link between the table here and the table we paste into the Word document. So let's go ahead and copy this table, and then we're going to paste it into the Word document. But this time we're going to press right click and we're going to look for this option here. This is the link and use destination style. So we're going to select this once. So now we've copied our table in. It doesn't copy all the formatting from the Excel sheet, but it does import all the useful data that we need. The difference between this method and the method before is that we've created a live link. Let me give you an example. Let's go over to January on my Excel sheet. Instead of 1,300 apples, it's 1,200 apples. I'm going to type that in, and then I'm just going to press enter. That just makes sure the data has been inputted correctly. Then let's go back to the Word document, right click the table and click update link. You'll notice now it says 1,200 apples, the same as it does in the Excel sheet. This method's great for reports where the numbers keep changing. Word simply pulls the latest data straight from the Excel sheets every time you click update link. For method number 3, we're going to create a full Excel functionality inside Word. We're actually going to embed a live Excel sheet inside of the Word document. To do this, we're going to click Insert at the top of the ribbon. Then we're going to go over to Objects. We're going to select this once. Then here we're going to select onto Microsoft Excel worksheet. And then we're simply going to click OK. As you can see, we've created a mini Excel sheet inside of our Word document. However, what if I wanted to use this and embed this sheet into my Word document? To do this, close down your Excel sheet. Then once you've done that, click Insert and then click on Object again. This time, click Create from File, then select Link to File. That creates that link that we really want. That just means it automatically updates. Then click Browse, select your file, click Insert, and then click OK. Once you've imported a table into your Word document, close down the Excel spreadsheet. That will create a conflict if you keep it open, but don't worry, we can actually access it from this table here. Simply double click your table and it'll open up the Excel spreadsheet. Let's say, for example, I've got apples in January wrong again. It was actually 1,400. I type that in, save, and I close it down. Now with the table here, we right click it and click Update Link. This will update it, and as you can see here, it says 1,400 apples. Please bear in mind that if you move the Excel sheet, it will break the link between that and this table. If that does happen, we can right click the table and click on the arrow next to linked objects and click links. If you do move your Excel sheet, simply click Change Source and relocate it and then click OK. It will then update it automatically. If you want to update a table, you can click Update. And if you want to open the source as in the Excel sheet, you can do that. If you want to cut ties or break the link between this table and the Excel sheet, you just click Break Link. And then once you're happy, click OK. If this video has helped you, click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And if you want to learn more about how to embed Excel spreadsheets into your Word documents, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.